Hey, how's it going? It is KlaireeBerry here with the Bitcoin horoscope for the 12th through the 22nd. We are going to look at the weeks, mainly just look at the weeks and see which day is going to be lowest. I do draw a line for the day just for shoots and giggles. I'm in Central Standard Time Zone. This is not financial advice, astrology, intuition, tarot, and fun. So you can use it to be on the lookout, but you want to use your own intuition. But yeah, you can be on the lookout for days that might have the dips. So you can buy the dips, dollar cost average in for the week or for however often. Okay, we got the frog. Okay, we got some rain pouring down, but we're well adapted to the rain. We're adaptable. We can go in and out of the rain. We can just chill and wait and then make our move when the time is right. So yeah, very changeable, very adaptable, which is also the theme for one of the last videos that I did. So it's kind of an overall theme overall here. The overall energy that I took specifically for Bitcoin for this week was there was authority. Authority did pop up. There's also change. And there's also stability, and I love this because it's wet. We're in Pisces season, water, intuition, emotions. We're listening to our intuition. We're listening to our emotion, and that's what's helping us to kind of get through the bad weather, so to speak. And even again, kind of get the benefit out of the so-called bad weather here. You know, it's like that quote, they tried to drown us. They didn't know we were seeds. But not drown us, cover us, bury us, whatever. But the same thing, same concept here. Okay, so today should not really be that great. Okay, now on this one, not only can you refer to, of course, the yearly video that we did, it'll be in the Bitcoin playlist, but we've also got a video that I did for most of the month of March. So we can compare. And I have included some of the, some of the predictions. Now, so for this one, it's Sun opposite Saturn. Okay, our drive is going to be clashing with our wanting to be practical, wanting to be smart. So there's going to be some kind of issues, and overall, I don't think this is going to be a great day. Now, the last video, and even possibly intuition on the first knee-jerk intuition on this one was that it's going to go kind of down and then come up a little bit, maybe go up and sideways. So it's a very good possibility that is what's going to happen. But then also, we might have one of these. Sometimes they're flipped and it's just hard to tell. So one of the two, either way, not going to be the best day, not going to be the worst day. The 13th, let's get into this. We have general aspect of Sun conjunct Neptune in the third house for Bitcoin. There's this dreamy, imaginative, underground, possible even emotional communication and learning. Very much intuitive. And the right people, again, the oddballs who like the rain, they're in just the weirdos, they're going to be the ones who are intuitively coming into Bitcoin. Now, last reading, I thought we were going down. Okay. But I think, again, twist it, flip it. I think it might be more like this, up and then sideways. Either way, again, not going to be too great of a day. So we have on the 14th, we have Mercury sextile Mars. This is where we get some fun, some excitement, some fire. Our mind is working with our drive and should be either kind of up and over, or just kind of almost straight up, pretty good. Okay, this was the last time and this is this time. Okay. So that'll be the best day so far of the week, most likely, the 14th. Now we have the 15th, Mars sets a quadrinatal Saturn. This one will be back to kind of maybe not so great of a hike. If it goes up and, long term, I think it could go up. It's going to be one of the stair steppers, pluck away, or it's going to be down, kind of the same way. Again, there's issues, but we should be able to overcome. And again, it could be more, a sideways, but, watch out for some issues. Now, the 16th, we've got Venus conjunct North Node, which is positive, but again, it's kind of long-term positive. So you probably won't see it all coming and happening here. But again, I don't think we're going to be losing a lot of ground on either of these days. So you might just see this kind of long-term bullish, just slightly better by the end of the day sort of thing. But yeah, overall 14, 15, 16, not too bad. 14 still probably the best day out of those. The 17th, we've got nothing particular, but general aspect of Mercury sextile Uranus. Again, in the third house, there's this theme again of psychicness, intuition with all this Pisces energy. This is exciting and again, kind of weird learning coming through, which is great for Bitcoin because it's kind of like the underground. The underground messages are getting through. The learning, people are paying attention. And this was last time. And this is more like this time. Okay, it's what the intuition's coming through in the tarot. Okay, precisely. So that should be a pretty good day. 14th, 17th, probably the best days of the week so far. Again, this one, though, is Uranus energy, so be careful. Don't lay all your eggs in one basket sort of thing. Just be on the lookout. 18th, Mars conjunct North Node again, long-term bullish. We've also got, this is our full moon on the 18th, and it's in the 9th house. It's in Virgo in the 9th house. You definitely there's some growth, but we're going to take practical steps towards the growth. And kind of at first it was but then maybe, maybe more like that. Again, bullish, but probably long-term bullish mostly. The 19th, we've got Mercury sextile Sun. Now, this is some fun, okay? That's a great aspect in itself, but then we've got the general aspect of Venus square Uranus. So again, crazy Uranus energy. This is in the second house for Bitcoin. There is some anxious, some, nervous, scattered energy. But, being in the second house, this is good. This should be good for Bitcoin here, especially with the two aspects combined. Might be the best day of the week, since the other days kind of just have one aspect. But yeah, it's kind of like there's a warning to stay practical, keep your head on straight. There's really good energy here, but you want to use that intuition. Don't be caught up in, buying the peaks here, sort of the idea. Okay. So the 20th or 19th should be really good. Oh, did I draw that second line here? This is kind of how I drew it, either up, 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 or maybe over after some little pumps there. On the 20th, this will be our Sunday. Sun moving into Aries. This is our equinox. This is in the 4th house for Bitcoin for the next 4 weeks. There's kind of this, bold, passionate energy, but in a way, still stability, calm, peaceful. Okay. On this particular day, really don't have anything to go off of just for the day, but still tarot thinks it should be. And again, this might be more like this sideways. Just again, shouldn't be that great of a day. So it may go down more, and up less, and just kind of go really just sideways for the day. Not starting a whole bunch different than not ending a bunch different than we started. Okay. 21st, same thing. We might go down and then come back up and then over, but again, it's not going to be that much different than when we started. The 22nd, we do have some more interesting energy, Mercury conjunct Uranus. So again, there's this nervous, chaotic, exciting, oh my gosh, thunderstorm, things are changing energy, but it's bullish. It's still good, is this good luck type of energy, which the frog, it really is kind of a good luck symbol, fertility, the potentials here, prosperity. So last time for this aspect, I thought kind of up and over. Actually, despite everything I just said, the tarot came through with a warning. So let's take one more card here just for this 20 seconds, see what we get as far as animals here. Just for the fun of it. Golden egg. Okay. So yeah, I think it might be more like that on the fly because there's just too much good luck here to end out the reading like this. But again, we'll see. It's a Uranus aspect. Going to be difficult to predict as usual. Thanks for likes, shares, subscribes, comments, etc. Take care. I'll talk to you guys soon. You can find me all over social media, KlaireeBerry, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, etc. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.